Look at the teeth of most people today. Cavities, braces, wisdom teeth problems, gum disease, and expensive dental visits are extremely common. Now look at the skulls of ancient humans. Many of them had strong, straight, healthy teeth even into old age with almost no cavities. So why did ancient humans have such powerful teeth while modern people struggle so much with dental health? Today we're going to uncover the real reasons behind their superior teeth and what went wrong for us. The biggest factor was their diet. Ancient humans ate tough, fibrous, unprocessed foods. Raw vegetables, roots, nuts, meat, and fibrous plants required heavy chewing. This constant hard work strengthened the jaw muscles and stimulated proper bone growth in the face and jaw. As a result, their jaws grew wider and stronger, giving all their teeth enough space to come in straight. Modern diets are soft and processed. Bread, pasta, cooked soft foods, and sugary snacks require almost no chewing. Without that mechanical stress, jaws often develop smaller and narrower. This is one of the main reasons so many people today need braces. There simply isn't enough room for all the teeth. Sugar was almost non-existent in the ancient diet. Cavities are primarily caused by bacteria that feed on sugars and refined carbohydrates, producing acid that eats into the enamel. Ancient humans ate almost no sugar. Even sweet fruits were seasonal and limited. Without a constant supply of sugar, the bacteria that cause cavities had little chance to thrive. They also practiced natural tooth cleaning. After eating, they used sticks, plant fibers, and their fingers to remove food particles. Some groups chewed on specific twigs that had natural antibacterial properties, similar to modern miswak sticks still used in some cultures today. Their saliva was healthier too because of the low-sugar diet, providing better natural protection against decay. Breastfeeding played an important role as well. Ancient babies were breastfed for much longer periods than most modern infants. This helped develop proper jaw and facial structure from a very young age. Bottle feeding and early weaning with soft foods can contribute to narrower dental arches. Their lifestyle also mattered. They breathed mostly through their noses because of active outdoor living and better airway development. Chronic mouth breathing, common today due to allergies and soft diets, can negatively affect jaw growth and tooth alignment. Of course, ancient humans still faced dental problems. They wore their teeth down significantly from chewing tough foods and using their teeth as tools. Some skulls show heavy wear, cracks, or teeth used for holding materials. Abscesses and infections did occur and could be dangerous. But overall rates of cavities and orthodontic problems were dramatically lower than in modern populations. What's fascinating is that when modern people switched to a more ancestral style of eating, less sugar, more whole tough foods, and proper chewing, many report stronger teeth and healthier gums over time. Dentists who study traditional cultures have repeatedly found the same pattern. The further a group moves from a modern processed diet, the better their dental health becomes. Ancient humans didn't brush with fluoride toothpaste or get regular cleanings. They simply lived in a way that allowed their teeth to develop and stay strong naturally. Their teeth were tools, weapons, and essential for survival. Weak teeth could mean starvation. The lesson is clear. Much of our modern dental crisis is not inevitable. It is largely the result of how we eat and how little we challenge our jaws. By returning to harder, less processed foods and reducing sugar, we can give our teeth a better chance to stay healthy the way nature intended. Next time you look in the mirror at your teeth, remember that your ancestors kept theirs strong for life using nothing more than diet, chewing, and simple natural habits. Do you think modern soft food is the main reason for weak teeth today? Tell me in the comments. If you found this interesting,